So the Zappi charger is going to go about here, black tethered, running armoured down, across, behind, sort of do a bit of angle drilling behind the post, along, and then where that pipe is, see the boiler flue there, so that's the utility on the other side. So we're going to run the cable through the utility under the kick space. We've got to drill on an angle to underneath the stairs inside to get to a new consumer unit, which I'll show you inside. Here's the old consumer unit. So we've got Henleys with holes in it, they get replaced. Got to try and get this nice little consumer unit. SPD, double pole EV RCBO, obviously making sure it's type 8. Put new tails in, replace this earth, goes up to there, and then the utility goes through there. So I'll take you around to the utility. So that's the other side of where the pipe is on the outside. Obviously there's the boiler. So we're going to get the cable from here in the corner, go across, bind here, through the soil pipe, kitchen units there. So we'll go under the plinth, behind the washing machine, and then we're going to cut a little, there was already a little access hatch there, so we're just going to make that a little bit bigger across there, and then I'll drill on the angle and the consumer unit to the other side. You can see the cable there, that's the cable I showed you on the other side. Sorry I spent that with washing machines on. There's the cables, just there, that's on the other side. Cut a little access hatch there, which we'll put back on. The hole through, and see where we're at. There we go. There's the cable going out, across to there. It goes under here, round the back to here, and that's the rod through. That's my cable. Right, so here's the Zappi. Now, little template. This is the one with the built-in Wi-Fi, so, and luckily for us the Wi-Fi is the other side. Fixings. This is a tethered version, so this will keep the cable on the top. Here's the charger. Tethered lead. There we go, all mounted. So they come with these washers to keep the IP rating level. So just a little tip, what I do now is I've put this, we use storm glands, that's a storm gland in there. As you can see, the bottom of it's there. So what I do is hold the cable up where I need it in place, and then I'll mark it, and then that will make it cut to length. There we go, it's all in. Let me zoom out. Cleats round, and let's see if I can get you in there. There we go, it's a gland, perfect measurement. And inside here now, so you got your live, neutral and earth, push fit connections, they go in. So we'll put some ferrules on here, needs a knife, loop, put them in. And yeah, and then we just got to do the other end. Up inside now, just on R1, R2, got a reading of 0.08. So now I'm going to do ZS, put it all together, do a ZS, and do our EV test. I'll bring you back, I'll show you inside as well. Quite a squeeze, but we got there in the end. There we go, one charger all in, got it plugged into this at the moment, done our tests and everything, but we haven't got electric car at the moment. So as you can see, it's testing. And at the moment the house is pulling 1.4, that's through the Harvey that's connected. They don't have solar, maybe in the future. As you can see, the car's not pulling anything. Yeah, and I'll just show you the cable route. Down, along, swept up, come round, there's a whisker. Storm gland, inside there we've earthed the SWA, might pop that off and show you. We've put the, like the whisker SWA gland, what are they called? I call them knuckle dusters, but yeah, the little earth loop thing on there of a fly lead into some wagos, or wagos as you like to call them, and I'll show you inside. So we're inside now, that's the other side of the whisker, comes along there, through there, underneath the kick space, back behind these, which is what I showed you earlier. Boards are all back in the back. And I'll show you the consumer unit. Consumer unit, place the Henley blocks, new tails in. I know it's low, but yeah, it's kind of the only place we could get it. And there's the Harvey. So yeah.